Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slip knot. This tutorial is meant for beginners, but it is the first actual tutorial that I'm doing that is meant for beginners. So if you are a beginner and you found this confusing, please let me know so I can improve on my teaching abilities. But I hope you do understand and I hope you enjoy the video. Anyway, now we can begin. In order to make your slip knot, you're going to grab your yarn and you're going to need your 2 fingers. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the end of your yarn and wrap it around your fingers like so. Bring the small end to the front of your 2 fingers. Then you're going to grab the end on the back and you are going to wrap it around like so. So you have this little cross formation. The longer strand should be on top of the cross and the shorter strand should be on the bottom. And now what you want to do is you want to grab your hook and you're going to place it through the first loop. You're going to grab the yarn that's in the back and pull it through the very first loop. And now what you're going to do is you are going to slowly remove the yarn from your fingers and you're going to grab this small strand of yarn and pull on it while the yarn is still on your hook. And then you're going to hold on to the smaller end and the longer end and pull them so you can tighten up your slip knot. And that is how you make a slip knot. I'm going to show you one more time. You're going to grab the end of your yarn in your 2 fingers, wrap the yarn around your finger like so. So the shorter strand is at the bottom. You're going to grab the longer end of your yarn and wrap it around like so. Again, the shorter strand is at the bottom, and the longer strand is crossed over at the top. Now you're going to grab your hook, you're going to place it through the first loop, you're going to grab the loop in the end or in the back, and you will pull it through and bring it up like so. Then you're going to slowly remove the yarn from your fingers, and you're going to grab the smaller strand of yarn and pull. Then you're going to grab the smaller strand and the longer strand and pull them like so. And now you have your slip knot. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!